What you doing?
Pushing.
Oops, Daddy.
Good.
Whoa.
Grandpa's gonna be so proud of you. Here,
Oh,
let's see you do it again.
okay. There's his face.
Good. Good.
Done.
Now what?
And, oh.
You're good.
Yeah. I'm very good.
You are very good. Get it on there. Almost.
Almost.
Good job. Now,
Now turn it. Push. It might be tight already, huh?
Oh no.
it can go a little bit more.
No. It's not.
Other way. Now push.
Push. Might be tight. Yeah, there you go. It's a little tight.
Oh. Whoa.
All right, we're gonna have more for you to do, okay?
Sure.
Sure.
You should have helped us out with our closet.
Should have built this whole thing.